Today let us prepare a sweet, savoury and a buttery caramel sauce. This heavenly syrup elevates the taste on whatever it is drizzled. Today I'll be preparing caramel popcorn using this sauce. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. And here are the ingredients that are needed. So let's get started. First, I'll be adding sugar in a thick bottom pan. I'll be melting the sugar on the lowest possible flame. Once the sugar melts thoroughly, it reaches a nice brown caramel color. Now it is the time to add the cream. As I add the cream in small intervals, the caramel starts bubbling vigorously. To prevent the overflowing, it is better to use a pan with high sides. I'll be stirring it continuously, and once the cream is added, I will heat it for around 30 seconds. Then I'll be adding butter. Mix it and heat it for around 30 seconds more. Once the butter melts, the sauce looks just perfect. On cooling, I'll be adding vanilla bean paste and a tiny bit of sea salt. Mix it together and the sauce is ready. This heavenly sauce elevates the taste on whatever it is drizzled, be it cupcakes, French toast or your iced tea. This can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for a couple of days. Today I am preparing caramel popcorn using this sauce. I have prepared the popcorn as per the packet instructions. Whilst the popcorn is still hot, I'll be adding the caramel syrup and mix it thoroughly so that it gets glued over the popcorn. Thank you.